Hi, welcome to this question right here. So this is just a calculator exercise question, okay? So right now you haven't learned the special triangles, so don't get too excited about these type of questions. So what happened is in your calculator, right, you just enter sine 60. Now when you enter sine 60, it's going to give you that root 3 over 2, okay? Or like a 0.886 on your calculator. So I'm just going to tell you what's going on with the sine 60. So what happened is at the 60 degrees, it looks like somewhere over here, okay? So you just created an angle right here. That's called 60 degrees right there. That's 60 degrees. Okay? So what happened is you're basically trying to find the ratio of that 60 degrees in terms of the sine. Sine is actually opposite over hypotenuse. So it's looking for the opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay? The O over the H. So because 60 degrees is one of the special triangles. So if you don't have the calculator for this, you have to know the special triangles. If it's a 60-30, this side will be a 1, this side here will be a 2, this side here will be a root 3. It's a fixed ratio for 30, 60, 90 triangles, okay? It's going to be a 1, 2, root 3. How do you know this? The shortest side is a 1. If you draw it, good enough, this side will be the shortest, right? It will be 1 for the shortest, 2 for the longest, and the root 3 is like right in the middle. It will be for the last one. So if you go ahead and do the 60 degrees right here for sine 60, you'll be doing the opposite. Take a look. It's root 3 right there, and over the hypotenuse, and that's why we got a 2 there. So having said that, what about sine negative 60? So what do we get for negative 60? Negative 60 just means you're going this direction. See, this is positive 60, right? The negative 60 will be over here. You're going down this way, okay? And there's your triangle right here. This is negative 60 degrees. And you get yourself a little triangle. So what happened is, again, this is 60, 30, 90 degrees. Special triangle. There's your shortest side is a 1. The longest side is a 2. The last one is a root 3, okay? But be careful. The hypotenuse is always positive. But this is going downward, so that's a negative sign right there. And this is still going to the right, so that is still positive. But if you go ahead and apply the sine, which is still opposite of your hypotenuse, your answer for this one, even if you type in a calculator, you're going to get the same answer. It's going to get you the negative root 3 over 2. And it'll be like, negative 0.886, something like that. Because from this angle, the opposite, it's negative root 3. That's why I get a negative sign. And over the hypotenuse, which is a 2. And that's it. If you don't have a calculator, you're going to have to memorize your special triangles. If you do have a calculator, just punch it in. You'll find the answer. Thanks for watching.